What is up everyone, and welcome back to the Top Collectors channel for yet another video. Before we kick this off today, if you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing as it would really help us to bring you the absolute best content geared towards mini collection cars. Without further ado, let us jump right in. I am super excited to be opening this Fast and Furious Eurofast. It is the final set for 2020 in the Hot Wheels premium line, and this has been an anticipated set for a long time. Brand new casting, we're all going to be talking about it. It's this BMW M3 right here. Let's start from the beginning. Let's go with car number one. We got the Aston Martin DB5. Very, very nice card art. Superb job. Eurofast up on top. 1 of 5. Really super, fantastic. This looks really nice. This was in Fast and Furious 6. I don't remember seeing this car in the movie. They say it is. You have all the other cars over here. Got the collector's information, Universal, Aston Martin, Lamborghini, and all the trademarks accordingly. I do have the Tomica version that was released this year equally. Right here we're going to be doing a little side-by-side comparison to see how Hot Wheels stacks up. So you do see the scale is slightly a little off. The casting is not entirely the same. There is the paint, this is a little bit more dull. However, it is glossier. I don't know if you guys can see that. On the Hot Wheels, wheels are, yeah, they're rubber. These are a lot thinner. So let's look over here. We got a plastic base on the Tomica and an actual solid base. Obviously these are all metal on metal. For Hot Wheels, slightly a little bit more detailed undercarriage on the Tomica. The front Tomica takes it over here. You have the plastic headlights. Got a little bit more detail in general. Again, obviously opening parts. The interior, it's very hard to tell. Can't really see the inside of the Hot Wheels model, but let's have a look at the back. Yeah, Hot Wheels still did a pretty good job on this. There is some real chroming as opposed to just painted silver that kind of blends into the body for the Tomica. But the Hot Wheels, there's an actual differentiation in color. You actually see a chrome plating for the bumper, which is nice to have. Let's look at the top in general. Yeah, the hood there really looks more part of the casting as opposed to this really looks like a cutout. Almost a little bit too deep. A little bit better detail on that badge up in the front. It's not really 100% to scale on the Hot Wheels. I'm gonna put this on the lazy wheels. Let's open up the McLaren. Next up, the Aventador. We saw this already as a premium casting. It was a Dark Knight model. It came out in the sets about 2 years ago, or was it maybe last year? You guys might be able to freshen up my memory. BMW M3 E36. Thank you, Hot Wheels, for finally bringing this to a premium. I do have the regular version over here. This is one type of version. I'm not sure if there were other ones ever created after this point. I know this was maybe 2015 or 2016. I'm not quite sure. Or it is maybe 2013 right there. I don't know if there were others made after this point, but this is the only one I personally have in my collection of the mainline version. Let's crack open this one. Unfortunately, I don't have a loose one to compare it to, but it just looks great so far. Finally, this casting. Let's look at this for a second before we crack this open. This looks stunning. I hope finally that Hot Wheels has introduced this casting, that we may start getting some Need for Speed licenses. I really want to see a Hot Wheels not Fast and Furious, Need for Speed Most Wanted GTR. Those fanboys out there, that would be absolutely must have, either through RLC or through premium line, but the opportunities are endless with this vehicle. It was a niche model. this thing. Got a little paint damage there. Overspray. Yeah, that is superb. Wide wheels, they just stick out. Wide body. Real nice. Real nice. And that wraps this unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe and click that bell to get notified as soon as we drop new content. Don't forget to equally like and share this video. Never stop collecting. And as always, I'm Adrian, and we will see you all in the next one.